As Sheryl Sandberg once said, no industry or country can reach its full potential until women reach their full potential. Honorable Governor, you exemplify this belief. Your presence today at the Women of Wonder Awards is not only a privilege, but a great motivation and stimulus for all our esteemed guests, our awardees, patrons, invitees, and dignitaries. Along with her, I would like to welcome her daughter, Ms. Anar Patel, who has over 20 years on-ground experience in social work, focusing on empowerment of women and children. I had the pleasure of meeting with her, and she is a very warm person indeed. I also warmly greet Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis, our guest of honor. As a trained classical singer, social activist, and banker, her achievements need no introduction. Mrs. Amrita Fadnavis is always seen taking deep interest in women's issues, be it towards girl-child education, women empowerment, and acid attack victims' rehabilitation. Her enthusiasm in the WOW Achievers Awards gave me the strength in making it a reality. Under her leadership, the Divyaj Foundation has helped me put together this wonderful evening. I'd also like to acknowledge and greet the Lions Club's International President 2005-06, Lion Dr. Ashok Mehta, District Governor 323A1, Lion Pradeep Parekh, and all the past district governors and Lions dignitaries present here today. We also have amongst us Mrs. Nafisa Kharakiwala, Chairperson Wokhart Foundation, which over the years has made a perceptible change in the lives of the underprivileged. As the Chairperson of Women of Wonder, it is indeed my pleasure to welcome you all to this glittering WOW Achievers Awards 2018. My sincerest greetings to the Women of Wonder themselves, our award recipients. Without you, this evening would not be possible. It is the inspiration you bring with your work which makes this event an evening to remember. The awardees are carefully chosen on the basis of commendable achievements in their respective fields, and in turn, the impact they have created in society and ultimately on the entire nation. The award and the logo are therefore specially designed as a woman's profile face with the WOW denoted below. The red dot in the center signifies the bindi, emphasizes and confirms the true intent of the award, which is recognizing the energy on top of the women achievers, making a difference at a global level. This year, WOW Awards collaborates with Express Her to capture the inspiring life journeys of the 24 awardees in a book that will be published in the upcoming months. The WOW Achievers Awards was conceptualized in 2016 as a step towards recognizing the Women's Empowerment Committee under the Lions Club's international banner. Empowerment stems from independence. With this focus, WOW also organizes an annual exhibition for women to showcase their products, creativity, and work. They are impelled to be financially independent, that garners for them a sense of fulfillment. In turn, these women inspire young girls of our generation who will be the future of India someday. The Women of Wonder Award is a step forward in this faith to empower. It focuses on the fundamental and critical role played by women and at the same time underlines their attitudes, initiatives, willpower, and perseverance to set an example for young girls, our Women of Wonder in the coming years. On that inspiring note, I look forward to this engaging evening of felicitation. And along with you, let's all applaud all of us, the Women of Wonder. Thank you.
Thank you, Fatima. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to request Sir Dr. Who's CEO, Wokhart Foundation, to please come up on stage and say a few words. Welcome.
Dearest friends, I'm very happy to be here at this Women of Wonder event, and Wokhart Foundation is very happy to be part of organization of this event. I would like to thank Srimati Anandiben Patel, who is Governor of Madhya Pradesh, and she has come all the way from Bhopal because she herself is one of the greatest women of wonder, and she believes in the cause of recognizing the women who have achieved a great thing. I would also like to thank our guest of honor, Srimati Amrita Fadnavis, who's a very multifaceted personality. She's a classical singer, she's a banker, she's a social worker, and she does a lot of things. She herself is a woman of wonder. In this event, probably I am the only man who's going to be speaking in this event. And this great honor to me has been given by all the women in this organizing committee. And I would like to thank all the women for allowing me, the only man who will speak over here. Every woman has 7 wonderful forms. A woman has 7 forms which are very wonderful. A woman is a mother. A woman is a wife. A woman is a daughter. A woman is a sister. A woman is a friend. A woman is a worker. And a woman is a leader. So these are the 7 wonderful forms of all the women. And there are 7 wonders of the world. The wonder of the world, Taj Mahal is one, the Egypt is one, and there are 7 wonders of the world. So if you combine the 7 wonders of the world, and you combine the 7 wonderful form of the woman, you come up with the woman of wonder. And that's what this award is for. And this is for all the great women who have achieved in all the fields, different fields. Their achievements have been very amazing. And our jury committee has had a very difficult time to select such a high quality of women. And they have done a great job. And congratulations to all the women who have won this award today. And well done. And I would like to thank all my partners in this event, the Divyaj Foundation, the Lions International, and thank you for your partnership. I would like to thank the team of Lamia and the support staff under her who have done a wonderful job. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Hus, for those kind and of course, Dr. Hus, we need you back on stage as well. May I request for the lamp lighting ceremony to begin? Also requesting Mrs. Pankaja Munde to please join us all on stage. Let's begin this beautiful evening with our traditional lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you, everyone, for that. Dr. Hus, if I may please request you to felicitate all our dignitaries. again to all our dignitaries for being here with us tonight. Requesting Ms. Anandiben Patel to please stay on stage. Requesting our Honorable Governor, Ms. Anandiben Patel, to please address the audience. Ma'am. Yes. Good evening. We'd like to...
दिव्यांग फाउंडेशन के द्वारा आयोजित इस कार्यक्रम में जिस महिलाओं ने विविध क्षेत्रों में अच्छा काम करके भारत का, महाराष्ट्र का नाम रोशन किया है, ऐसी सभी अवॉर्डी बहनें, समाज के सर्वश्रेष्ठ भाई बहनों और नारी शक्ति, जिसके द्वारा ये कार्यक्रम का आयोजन हुआ है, ऐसी अमृता जी, आप सबको मिलकर मुझे बहुत ही खुशी होती है। 8वीं मार्च मतलब अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिन। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिन के संदर्भ में पूरा विश्व महिलाओं का सम्मान करता है, महिलाओं के काम को देखते हैं और सम्मानित भी करते हैं। समाज में से अलग अलग विषयों में काम करने वाली महिलाओं को ढूंढना, खोजना, ये बहुत ही कठिन कार्य है, क्योंकि पिछले 25 साल से हर एक क्षेत्र में, मतलब एक भी क्षेत्र बाकी नहीं रहा है महिलाओं के लिए जिसमें वो आगे आई न हो। और इसलिए एक क्षेत्र में काम करने वाली हजारों महिलाएं होती हैं और इसमें से श्रेष्ठ महिलाओं का खोजना वो एनजीओ के लिए बहुत ही कठिन है, लेकिन आपने ये काम करके दिखाया है और आज 24 महिलाओं को आप अवार्ड दे रहे हैं। इसलिए अमृता जी और उसकी पूरी टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करती हूँ। महिलाओं के सामने कई समस्याएं तो है ही, कोई समस्या नहीं है ऐसा तो है ही नहीं, फिर भी इसमें से मार्ग निकालकर वो अवार्ड तक पहुंचती हैं। सामाजिक क्षेत्र हो, इंजीनियरिंग क्षेत्र हो, मेडिकल क्षेत्र हो या अवकाश में जाना हो, तो कहीं भी महिलाएं पीछे नहीं हटी है, हमारे लिए गौरव की बात है। मैंने कई ऐसी महिलाओं को देखा है जो महिलाएं पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है, कम पढ़ी लिखी है, फिर भी जो काम करती है वो सलाम करने जैसा होता है। गुजरात में सासण गीर जहाँ लायन रहते हैं बड़ी संख्या में, शिकारी कोई बार आता था और शिकार करके जाता था, ये बड़ी समस्या गुजरात के लिए थी मित्रों। मैं वो इसलिए बताती हूँ कि हम लोग ऐसा मानते हैं कि महिलाएं डरपोक होती हैं, डरती है, अंधेरे से डरती है, लेकिन मैं ऐसी युवा महिलाओं को जानती हूँ कि जो महिलाओं ने सासण गीर में सिंह के साथ काम किया है, बिना डरे हुए, हाथ में एक ही लकड़ी और पूरा सासण गीर में घूमना। लायन कोई बीमार हो या घायल हो तो उसकी मलम पट्टी करना, उसको रेस्क्यू करना और ऑपरेशन थिएटर तक पहुंचाना, ये काम आज महिलाएं कर रही है। इसलिए मैं गौरव की बात आपके सामने रखती हूँ मित्रों, और मैंने ये स्वयं देखा है इसलिए मैं बोलती हूँ। और वो भी बेटी थी, वो मात्र एक विडो महिला की बेटी थी, घर में कोई नहीं था, पिताजी भी हयात नहीं थे। एक माता विडो और उसकी बेटी ने ये काम करके दिखाया है और आज भी कर रही है। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी ने देश की 125 करोड़ की जनता को एक अपील की। वैसे तो आज़ादी मिलने के काफ़ी साल हो गए, लेकिन किसी ने ऐसी बाबत पर ध्यान नहीं दिया था जो महिलाओं के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, महिलाओं के स्वास्थ्य साथ जुड़ी हुई है, युवतियों के स्वास्थ्य के साथ जुड़ी हुई है और सफाई के साथ जुड़ी हुई है। और वो शौचालय बनाने की बात। मुझे आज भी याद है कि छत्तीसगढ़ की एक 92 साल बड़ी हमारी वृद्ध माँ, जिसके घर में टॉयलेट नहीं था, उनकी पौत्री ने उसको बताया कि हमारे घर में टॉयलेट चाहिए, लेकिन पैसे थे नहीं, 10-12 हज़ार रुपया चाहिए। गवर्नमेंट तो देती थी, लेकिन हिली एरिया था तो इसमें 2-4 हज़ार ज़्यादा चाहिए। तो वो माता ने अपनी 2 बकरियां बेच डाली, 2 बकरियां बेच डाली और इसमें से पूरा यूनिट घर में शौचालय का बना दिया। इतना ही नहीं, वो वहाँ के एक लीडर बन गई और गांव गांव घूमने लगी, टॉयलेट बनाइए, घर में टॉयलेट बनाइए। मैं उसको भी लीडर मानती हूँ। और 2 गांव में 100% टॉयलेट का काम वो माता ने करके दिखाया। अभी शायद 1 महीने या 2 महीने पहले उसका देहांत हुआ। ऐसी कई देश में महिलाएं हैं जो काम कर रही है, उसको हमें पता ही नहीं है कि कैसी कैसी महिलाएं कैसे कैसे विषय को उठाती हैं और आगे बढ़ती है उस। और आज देश की महिलाएं खुश इसलिए हैं कि अपने घर में टॉयलेट बना है और रात को 9 बजे 8 बजे तक राह नहीं देखनी पड़ती है। वो स्वयं जब भी उसको चाहे शौचालय क्रिया करने के लिए जा सकती है। वो समस्या देश की सभी महिलाओं के साथ जुड़ी हुई थी, लेकिन एक व्यक्ति जब लीडरशिप करता है तो इस समस्या का हल हो जाता है। दूसरी एक समस्या, और पर्यावरण की भी समस्या तो थी, धुआं की समस्या। माता जब घर में रसोई बनाती है, लकड़ी से बनाती है, कोल से बनाती है, तब धुआं उठता है। हम भी देखते थे, हम भी घर में उसे ही करते थे, रसोई करते थे। बीमारी आती थी, कैंसर होता है, टीबी होता है, फिर भी इसका हल किसी ने नहीं किया। और नरेंद्र भाई ने पूरे देश की जनता को अपील किया कि आप गैस की सब्सिडी छोड़ो, और जो गैस की सब्सिडी आप छोड़ोगे इसमें थी जो बचत होगी, इसमें से मैं देश की ऐसी गरीब महिला जिसके घर में गैस नहीं है उसको मैं दिलवाऊंगा। और आज मुझे कहते आनंद होता है कि 4 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा घरों में गैस का सिलेंडर आ गया, गैस का चूल्हा आ गया है और वो ये धुआं में से मुक्त हो गई है। उसका भी एक अभियान, गांव की सरपंच महिलाएं, गांव की अनपढ़ महिलाएं घर घर घूमकर ये बात बताती है, जागृति लाने का प्रयास करती है। और ऐसी महिलाओं को मैं जब आपके बीच में आई हूँ तो मैं इसको सलाम करती हूँ। मित्रों, आज ऐसी 24 महिलाएं हमारे सामने बैठी है। उन्होंने भी अपने क्षेत्र में लीडरशिप की है और धीरे धीरे करके वो ही महिलाएं अपनी आसपास रहने वाली महिलाओं के साथ जुड़कर उसको भी इसमें शामिल करेगी। हमारा सबका दायित्व है मित्रों कि हम कोई एक महिला का हाथ पकड़े, एक परिवार का हाथ पकड़े और ये परिवार में शिक्षा हो, दीक्षा हो, सही दिशा में ले उसके बच्चों को। ये करने की आवश्यकता है। शिक्षा के माध्यम से और माता के माध्यम से, दादी के माध्यम से बच्चों को संस्कार मिलता है। तो एक माँ पूरा घर संभालती है और देश भी संभालती है, समाज का भी काम करती है और अलग अलग तरीके से काम करते करते हजारों महिलाओं की सहयोगी भी बन जाती है और ऐसी महिलाओं के जीवन में उजाला भी लाती है। ये सब महिलाओं को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। आप आगे बढ़िए, आपके साथ हजारों महिलाओं जुड़ी हुई है, इसके भी आप लीडर बने हुए हैं और इसमें भी नई नई बहनें जुड़ जाए और पूरा देश एक सुखी न समृद्ध खुशहाल बने, ऐसा हम कल्पना करते हैं। और मैं मानती हूँ कि आने वाले दिनों में जो हमारी आशाएं अपेक्षाएं, वो आशाएं अपेक्षाएं पूरी होगी और देश विश्व की एक महासत्ता बन सकती है। धन्यवाद।
Ma'am, requesting you to please stay back on stage to present all the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to begin with the award ceremony. Each awardee will be presented this lovely WOW Award. To treasure along with it, each awardee will be given organic groceries vouchers worth rupees 1 lakh each.
उत्तर प्रदेश हमारे आदरणीय परम आदरणीय आनंदीबेन पटेल जी, अमृता जी, वोकार्ट फाउंडेशन, लायंस क्लब, I thank you all for presenting me this award. It means a lot to me because being a woman, when you are leading a department which is full of challenges, it also empowers you as a woman, and also it gives you strength to empower all those women who are looking at you with a lot of hopes and courage. So I think it is these kind of awards. It's a wow award. Of course, you feel wow to get this also. So I thank all of them. And आनंदीबेन पटेल जी के हाथ से ये मिला है, इसलिए ऑलरेडी वो अवार्ड का ताकत और उसकी क्षमता हमें और बढ़ानी चाहिए। उसके लिए काम करने के लिए मुझे और ज़्यादा चैलेंजेस ज़िंदगी में करने पड़ेंगे। ज़िंदगी में हमारी ज़िंदगी किसी के लिए नहीं रुकती, पर ज़िंदगी की वजह बदल जाती है। मेरे पिताजी जब तक थे तो उनके लिए काम करना मेरी वजह थी, और आज उनके नाम के लिए और उनने जो सपने इस महाराष्ट्र की जनता के लिए लिखे हैं उसके लिए काम करना मेरी जिम्मेदारी है। मोदी जी और देवेंद्र जी के नेतृत्व में हम काम कर रहे हैं। मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ, आपने मुझे इस अवार्ड के लायक समझा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Everyone, namaskar. It's an honor to receive an award from somebody we look up to. As a woman, I would say you create your legacy by not the amount of money you have in your bank, but the amount of people's life you have touched. And together we can and we must. It's just about taking that first step. And we women are, I would say, much stronger than everybody else. So let's do it and let's give the best to our country. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Nagi, for those inspiring words.
honorable guest, all the dignitaries. I am extremely thankful to the organizers for giving me this award along with other eminent women. At this moment, I remember many other women who are doing wonders wherever they are living. There are a number of women, not only in my district, Gadchiroli, which is the most backward district in Maharashtra, but all over India. There are these tribal women who daily struggle to live facing their alcoholic husbands. There are these rural women who toil in the fields and at home while their farmer husbands are committing suicide. I am really blessed to provide medical care to these women in my district, Gadchiroli. And today, very humbly, I accept this honor on behalf of all those women of wonder. I know the sanctity of this award, and I assure you all here present that I will continue to work till my end and keep up the faith you have shown in me today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Bang, for those kind words. Our next award is for a bureaucrat leader. She's a seasoned and well-established bureaucrat with a blend of diverse and matured experience in leading prestigious portfolios in different departments of the government, such as income tax,
A very good evening. Honorable Governor Anandiben Patel, Madam. Honorable Pankaja Munde, Cabinet Minister, Government of Maharashtra. Honorable Amruta Fadnavis, social activist, banker, classical singer. Honorable Dr. Hose, CEO, Wokard Foundation. Respected Fatima Bootwala, respected trustees of Divij Foundation, Lions Club, trustees of Wokard Foundation, all the respected guests, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, it's a big honor to receive this award this evening. I believe it validates the stands we take in the everyday challenges we face. I think despite the various challenges the contrary stance people take, you keep on doing your good work. And I think finally it results in something so nice today. Over the years, as I have worked in various departments, I have changed my streams from income tax to tribal to the corporation and now to FDA. What I realize is that the noble intentions, the best intentions behind implementation of government schemes has somewhere gone down. Over the last 20 years, it has been my endeavor to bring back those good intentions behind all these government schemes. I once again thank you for one and all, especially Amruta Fadnavis Madam and Divij Foundation and Lions International and Wokard Foundation for giving this award to me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Our next award, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. She has been honored by the worthy hands of a former President, Honorable Shri Abdul Kalam, for her good work for the community. Please put your hands together for Lion Aruna Oswal.
At the outset, I would like to thank Fatima Bhutwala and Amruta ji, all the sponsors of this beautiful event. My own Lions Club International Foundation also is already sponsored it. This is wow. I'm feeling wow now this time because wow is a reflection of mom. If you see the opposite wordings, mom. I just would like to thank for giving me the opportunity. I think Anandi Behan Patel has given this award to me. They are the living examples in front of us. If I talk about Anandi Behan or of course Amruta ji, Munde ji's daughter is also here. So we are all inspired with them. And I think today we are taking one more challenge after getting this award, that I was thinking I am a woman, I was thinking I am a mom, I was just thinking I am a mother, maybe grandmother, maybe a wife, but today I think I have become a woman of wonder. This is a great challenge that has been given to me and would like to prove myself in the near future. I would like to just narrate a very small incident about a mother's perfection. A child asked his mom, "Mom, you're very perfect in everything. How come whenever I ask any problem, you solve it very immediately, very perfect, in a perfect manner?" Mom replied, "Beta, when God made us, He always used to take exam for us. If we passed that exam, we became a mother." Then child replied, "Those who fail, they become a daddy." But I'm very happy that I have been associated with all my Lion members, all the Lions and all the men here. But it is a great inspiration, great opportunity. I would like to thank again the organizers, all the women who have achieved the awards. I think meeting them also is a great inspiration for all of us. Thank you for this award, and I will definitely try to fulfill this challenge. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Oswal.
पटेल जी, आदरणीय अमृता जी, and Dr. Haji, Bhutwala ji, and all dignitaries, International Lions Club, Warcraft Foundation, दिव्या फाउंडेशन। मैं आज आप लोगों को धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया देना चाहती हूँ, धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। क्यों? मैं जहाँ पैदा हुई थी, एक गांव जहाँ ना बिजली था, ना रास्ता, ना स्कूल, 15 किलोमीटर में पैदल में जाके पढ़ाई किया, वो आज आप लोग के पास खड़े होने का जो औकात है, उनका पीछे जिसका आशीर्वाद है, वो मेरा माँ है। आज मेरे पास नहीं है, आज मेरे पास सब कुछ है, लेकिन वो नहीं है। फिर मैं आज याद करती हूँ, कहीं ना कहीं ये मेरे को आशीर्वाद फिर दोबारा करेंगी। मैं आप लोग को इतना बोलना चाहेंगी, डॉक्टर हज जी बोल रहे थे, एक ही मेन पर्सन यहाँ बोलने के लिए आई थी। डियर मैन, प्लीज अप्रिशिएट द वुमेन ऑलवेज। महिला को कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आप सिर्फ महिला को प्रशंसा कीजिए, ऑनर टू द वुमेन। तो आप देखेंगी एक कॉइन में दो साइड है, एक साइड मैन है और अदर साइड वुमेन। दोनों साइड बराबर चलेगी तो सोसाइटी, समाज और देश और आगे बढ़ जाएगी। मैं आज मेरा बहनों को इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, जीवन में मुश्किल ही आएंगी, ऐसा नहीं है बिना मुश्किल में कोई आगे बढ़ रहा है। मुश्किल को सामना करना सबसे बड़ी बात है। आप मुश्किल से सामना कीजिए और कष्ट को गले लगाइए, आप देखेंगी कितना सुंदर लाइफ, जो आपका लक्ष्य है, जो आपको मिलना चाहिए वो मिल जाएगी, मेहनत से, निष्ठा से। और आपका खुद को विश्वास कीजिए, खुद को विश्वास कीजिए। और मैं इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, मैं रेप विक्टिम के लिए भी काम कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए मेरा एनजीओ सारे महिला के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। ऑनर टू वुमेन, ऑनर फॉर वुमेन, ये मेरा स्लोगन है पूरा हिंदुस्तान में। इसलिए मैं सारे महिलाओं को बोल रही है, खुद के ऊपर कुछ अन्याय हो रहा है तो टॉलरेट मत कीजिए, आगे बढ़िए, विरोध कीजिए, लड़िए, लड़ाई को आगे आइए। वो दूसरों के साथ भी कुछ हो रहा है, आप जा रहे हैं तो सामने कुछ कोई महिला के साथ हो रहा है तो आप चुप मत रहिए बहनों, आप आगे आइए और वो लड़ाई कीजिए, वो लड़ाई में महिला का जय होगा। मैं इतना ही फिर दोबारा धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। और जब तक मानसी जिंदा रहेगी, जब तक मानसी जिंदा रहेगी, आप लोगों को याद करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Honorable Governor, dignitaries present in the audience, and every one of you gathered here today. A very good evening to everyone. It's indeed an honor for me to get this award because I am very, very junior in my service, so I don't think I have really any commendable achievement to boast of, but just the fact that at the age of 27, 5 years after I cleared the civil service exam, I'm able to stand on this dais with so many stalwarts is something that is very, very humbling. I just hope that more than a personal honor or recognition, this platform gives me the exposure to take the message that I seek to convey to wider audiences. As a police officer, I work with women in distress. I work with children who have been sexually abused. And as a woman, these are causes that I would like to take up in a big way in my career. And I hope that I'm able to perform my duties, not just as a woman, but also as a good professional. So I'm really honored for this recognition, and I'm sure it's always going to serve as a reminder of the very, very long career that lies ahead of me, and always inspires me to do my very best. So thank you all of you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Ms. Joseph. Our next awardee is a very well-known theatre personality. Trained as a microbiologist and geologist, she is an actor, director, and producer in film, television, theatre, and radio, and has received 2 awards for her work in empowering women and
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm full of gratitude to the Lions Club International, the Divyaj Foundation, and the Wockhardt Foundation, and the Women of Wonder Committee for honoring me with this recognition. I'm truly honored and humbled, really, to be in the company of so many women of wonder today. These days, it is obvious that in India, every successful man, behind him is a bankrupt bank. Sorry for that. But behind every successful Indian woman is a mountain of hard work, unstoppable passion, and a sisterhood of women who helped her rise. I have 2 women in particular whom I would like to thank. One is Eve Ensler, the playwright of the Vagina Monologues, and Dr. Armida Fernandez, who set me on this very long and very personal journey of ending violence against women and girls, as we all can see, has reached endemic proportions today in our country. I must thank all the women and men, artists and audiences who have come to this on this epic journey of theatre and activism. I'm proud to announce that next month, the Vagina Monologue starts its 16th year in India. Through this play, we have helped plenty of NGOs, individual victims of abuse, acid attack victims, and helped them lead a better life. Ladies and gentlemen, the UN and the World Health Organization tells us that 1 out of every 3 women on the planet today will experience physical or sexual violence at some point in her life. This does not even refer to women who will face emotional, psychological, verbal, or other forms of abuse. In India, that number, unfortunately, is closer to 1 out of every 2. That's more than 1 billion victims of violence globally. We need you to rise with us and reduce this number drastically. If any of you present here tonight would like to join our mission, please let us know and join us in this most necessary struggle. We need every possible voice to join us because remember, silence equals death. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Kotwal. So many complications.
First of all, I would like to pay my gratitude to the Governor of Madhya Pradesh, Mrs. Anandiben Patel, rest of the dignitaries, and my dear friends who are present here. It's a real honor to be here among such dynamic, incredible, trailblazing group of women. Let me tell you, for every person you have inspired, there are 100 more lives you have changed, either with your actions or with your words and with your high spirits. We women have the ability to achieve anything in this world. We can rise up to any level with our highest potentials, and our potentials are limitless. So let's take a pledge to educate each girl child, to empower each woman, to make them realize that they are no less. We have the ability to achieve the impossible. Let me conclude it with one single line, which I love the most, and I feel proud to be a woman myself. It says, we women are complete because we are a full circle. We have the power to create. We have the power to nurture, and we have the power to transform. And that's the kind of power we have. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Chapekar. We salute you for your bravery. Our next award is for a very well-known wellness leader, aesthetic medicine and anti-aging specialist. Is for a very famous fashion and style leader. She is an Indian fashion and film stylist and a costume designer. She is the fashion director of Vogue India magazine. Please put your hands together and help me welcome Miss Anaita Shroff Adajania. Congratulations, Anaita. Everyone's waiting to hear from you.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Amruta. So in this age where women are still fighting for basic rights like equality, it's truly wonderful that a forum like this is recognizing the small victories that we are making as women. I'm a bit nervous, so bear with me. Just like every single human on the planet, we women also live only once. And I think it's really, really important to make that once matter. To do it with our rules, with our dreams. I mean, fortunately for me, I was born in a family that let me be free. My mom never clipped my wings. And now my husband and my boys are strong feminists and believe that girls should do whatever they want. Can you have two boys, look after them, run a house, and be successful at what you do? Yes. Yes, you can. I think every woman in this audience could be on this stage one day, soon. I feel we're all here to support each other. And yeah, there are a few battles along the way, but the victories way outweigh that. There's so much joy in being able to wake up and do what makes you happy, and that's how you will make others happy. I feel my two boys respect me for who I am because I'm living my dream. And I want to thank the Lions Club for embracing what I do and having me here. I think I'm here because of the wonderful people at WOW that recognize and celebrate the same things that I believe in. Just work hard and dream big. Thank you for the recognition.
Thank you, Anita. Our next award is for the Best Television Actor. She is a film, television, and theatre actor who is popularly known as the high-handed Ammaji of Na Ana Is Des Lado. It's a show focusing on female infanticide and other atrocities against women. Please put your hands together for Miss Meghna Malik. Would you like to come up and say a few words, please?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगी लायंस इंटरनेशनल का, वॉक हार्ड फाउंडेशन, दिव्यज फाउंडेशन कि उन्होंने ऐसी खूबसूरत शाम मुझे यहाँ याद किया और मुझे इस सम्मान के काबिल भी समझा और ऐसी विशिष्ट हस्तियों के बीच में मुझे ये मंच शेयर करने का मौका मिला है आज। बहुत ही खूबसूरत शाम है। And I would like to congratulate my fellow awardees and I salute their undaunting spirit and the contribution to the society that they are making. हमारे आदरणीय गवर्नर जी आनंदीबेन जी ने कहा कि दूर दराज के इलाकों में महिलाएं जो हैं अनपढ़ हैं, शिक्षित नहीं हैं, पर समय आने पर वो अपनी ताकत का प्रदर्शन कर सकती हैं. But I have also come across a lot of women who are empowered, who are educated, who are financially independent. और उसके बावजूद कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें लगता है कि उनकी जो आइडेंटिटी है, उनकी जो पहचान है, वो उनके ज़िंदगी में जो मर्द है या उनका it is connected to the men in their lives. Somewhere the sense of security is given only by the men in their lives. But that I feel is a conditioning that we have inherited, and we need to get rid of that because ultimate power lies in realization of the full potential, of recognizing our inner strength, and dreaming big, and also truly believing that we are nowhere inferior to men. I was the brand ambassador of the Election Commissioner of India for the state of Haryana, and I had a privilege of meeting many girls, interacting with them in various colleges. And I realized that they are not aware, वो पढ़ लिख रही हैं, colleges में जा रही हैं, they are educated, उनके parents उनको शिक्षा से दूर नहीं भगा रहे हैं, but still they were not aware of their voting rights, and they were not aware of the representatives from their constituencies, and they were not aware of their leadership. They were not aware of what they wish from their leaders. So, जहाँ जागरूकता नहीं तो वहाँ अपने अधिकारों का आपको समझ नहीं होती है. तो मैं यही चाहूँगी, यही कामना करती हूँ आज, और हम सभी यही कामना करें कि साधारण से साधारण लड़की भी अपनी जागरूक बने और अपने अधिकारों की उसे समझ रहे. Thank you so much for this evening. And this evening is just not an award night for me. I'm just almost reliving the moments of my childhood and my association as a child with Lions Club, because my father was a Lion member, and in the 70s he made a world record of organizing 16 clubs in a year. और मैं यही कहूँगी कि 4 साल की उम्र से मैं स्टेज पर हूँ, एंड माई मदर टेल्स मी कि पहला मंच मेरा जो मुझे दिया गया था वो लायंस क्लब ने दिया था, और आज मैं आप लोगों के बीच हूँ. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और शुक्रिया. थैंक्स.
Thank you, Ms. Malik. Our next award is for the best jewelry designer.